Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T20 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries. Basically this operation looks similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So you will be able for sure to recreate the steps. Let me open the browser and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see this is the list of all previously visited websites. Of course if you want to you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is long, then I highly recommend to simply tap on the clear browsing data, because here we can do it automatically. We can remove browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files. And in advanced we've got also this section, so saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to last 4 weeks, for example. And basically, right now just confirm it by tapping on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your DOOGEE T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.